Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Glaceon from Pokemon. So first let's get started in the top of the face in the center, and we're going to draw a curved line that arches around and then in towards the middle. We'll move up above this now, and we're going to curve this line out towards the right now and then blending that in the center. On either side on the top, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then moving underneath, we're just going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then back up in the corner. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, curving that at the top, bringing that back down. To the right of this on the inside now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line out and then down. Now we're going to curve this line across towards the right. And then from this corner, we're going to arch this line out towards the top. On the inside, we're going to curve this line up and then back down from that point. Now for the ears, on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line up towards the top. We're going to curve that out in the corner, bringing that out towards the side. And then from that corner, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in towards the top of the head. We're going to draw a small diagonal line on the bottom, and then we'll bring this line up towards the top. And now from that corner, we're just going to curve that out and then back down. For the left ear now, on the bottom, we're going to bring our diagonal line out towards the side. We'll do the same thing on the top. Now from here on the bottom in the corner, we're going to curve this line up. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Underneath, we're going to draw in a letter V. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line up, and then from that point, we're going to bring that back down on the side. For the chin now, we're going to curve this line down towards the middle, bringing that up on the right-hand side. For the eye now, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll come over to the left-hand side, replicating that. Let's move underneath, drawing a nice big arch line, connecting that together. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. On our right eye, we're going to draw in a half oval underneath. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. For the nose in the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then we're going to connect that together with a small arch line on the bottom. For the mouth, we're going to curve this line over and then up. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line over towards the side. Let's draw on the body now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line across. We'll continue to extend this through, bringing that out. From the side now, we're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to continue to arch this line around and then down. Let's step further in now, and we're going to curve this line around and then in for the back leg. And then we're going to curve another line that comes down, ending this on a diagonal. And then from the foot, we're just going to arch this line around and then in, connecting that. Let's move across now. We're going to curve this line around and then out. Stepping further up, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then for the foot, we're just going to curve this line around and then in the corner. In the top now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up and then back down. And then over on the right, we're just going to curve this line across. On the inside for the torso, we're going to curve this line over. And then for the knee behind this, we're going to curve this line out. Underneath, we're going to arch this line over towards the left, ending this at roughly the same height. And then moving up, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line on the top. And then for the foot, we're going to close this off, arching this around and then in. And then we're going to curve this line down Moving in towards the top now, we're gonna arch this line around and then back in. We're gonna curve this line down towards the bottom. Stepping underneath this, we're gonna arch this line out and then in. And then we're gonna curve this line around and then up to close off the rest of the arm. And then on the top, we'll bring a diagonal line in, back down. Let's draw on the tail now. So on the right-hand side on the top, we're gonna curve this line up. From this corner, we're gonna arch this line out and then in. From this corner now, we're gonna curve this line in and then back up towards the side. And then from the corner here, we're just gonna curve this line all the way around and then in. And then on the top, we're gonna bring a diagonal line in. From the point, we're gonna bring that back up. And that is it. That's how you draw Glaceon for Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.